So look what I got this morning. It's the Planetgreenvalley figures. So we'll be unboxing it today and see what's inside, see the packaging and all that stuff. Oh man, I've been waiting this for quite some time now. So just feel sad for Weihua for this for the production issues. But finally, I got some of it. Not all at the quantity I wanted, but it's enough for us who did the pre-orders, and maybe just a little for the other guys who doesn't, or who didn't pre-order. Maybe we'll have something left for others to get. But for now, let's unbox this baby. Here it is now. The long wait is over. Planetgreenvalley 1/18 scale figures from Weihua and straight from China. It's been a long wait, but here it is now, and we're opening it. Okay. Oh, it's packed on several boxes. First one is the PGV F002. This is the combat uniform, Blue Wing Group. So carefully, you don't want to damage. Don't want to damage the products inside. First, there's the Security Force Blue Wing Group combat uniform. You can see there. Oh man, that looks awesome. The detail on those accessories, especially the weapon, the rifle. Amazing. And the good thing with this packaging, that's the back. You can slide it up without, damaging the packaging or the cord. I mean, you can just slice through here. Do that lightly. Slide, seriously, you can slide the card. Open this, see the actual product. Oh man. Oh, having goosebumps already. So nice. See the weathering, detail. Holy crap. Take the figure out. So it's a little stiff. I don't want to force it. I'll put it on hot water later. But for now, I don't want to force these. Much better to be careful with it. But yeah, you can see there how good the quality and detail of the paint. Paint applications is amazing. Oh god. Head sculpt's nice. It's really nice. Oh my goodness. See that vest. I'll make another video to show you a detailed what you call this,
a detailed view or a detailed video of unboxing each figure, but for now, just to show you the contents of the box. So that's an instruction, basically the assembly of the figure and suggestion how to put on the accessories. So there, slide again the so that's for the combat uniform. Second box, that's the mind controller, glowing group. So that's the mind controller. Opening it. Sliding it out, taking out the figure. This one comes with a hose or a cable, then the instruction. Opening it. Just so gorgeous, man. See the helmet. Looks like Leia's helmet. But yeah, paint application's nice, good weathering. Same with the vest. Figure, it's also same quality with the mind controller. Matte finish on the skin or the body. Everything is matte finished. The detail in that head sculpt's really nice. Paint detail on the face, it's great also. Back and the gun, you can see that all the accessories are there. Later on, the next video, put a, make a video of the of how it looks like with the gears on. For now, it's just an unboxing. So, slide it in. This one is F003, girl armed Amy. So I guess this is a mix, not just Amy, but with also the female body. Oh, great! All those accessories. So that's how it is inside that packaging, with the blank female body, an extra head there, all those clothings. Perfect for those customizers. I'll be seeing a lot of custom PGV figures later on, I guess, when we bring this back to there in the Philippines. But for now, same texture, flat finish. There's the Amy figure, girl armed Amy, EFSA Aviation School. To open it for you guys. So it's the card art looks like. So good that Weihua designed it to be like that, so you don't have to be, you're not gonna destroy the card. So there it is, the girl armed Amy figure and its accessories. Look at that head sculpt, man. It's just amazing. I love it. And there's some leg warmers there, some gaiters, scarf. The vest almost similar with the other figure. Got gun, some pistol, and a M4 like rifle with a EOTech type red dot scope. Mask. Later on, we'll be doing another video, a detailed look on each figure. But for now, let's move on to the other box. First one. And this is the EFSA Security Forces Blowing Group, Virginia. Or, as it's spelled here, Virginie. I don't know, I guess that's how he wanted to call it. I thought it's a Virginia, but turns out it's an E, not an A. So it's Virginie. I hope that works for you guys, but yeah, same thing. You slide off the card, take off the figure with its tray. So that's how it looks like inside. Same finish, matte, some matte finish all over. Extra head. Oh man. Look at that rifle, extra pair of hands, and that vest. You can see there, it's a mask there, or a gas mask, I mean. But for now, this is unboxing. So, just to show you guys, what does it look like out of the box, or what's inside this box that I got from last. It's the EFSA Aviation School Girl Armed Lin. So there's one of the schoolgirl or girl school uniform figures. So same, slide off the card. Okay, mind that. And that's how the figure looks like. Same with the Amy figure, just some different accessories, a different head sculpt. See there, stand there, let's turn it. Head sculpt's different. Body also is, there's no stockings, although there is a leg warmer there. There's some tabs or patch or whatever that is there on the side of the sleeve. Same with the other figure, the M4 type rifle. Has a silencer and an ACOG optics. Then holsters, drop leg pouches. So that's the Planetgreenvalley unboxing, and these are the figures out of the box in their packaging. You got the female body, the Amy figure, one of my favorites, the mind controller, and Virginie, or as I call it, Virginie, combat uniform, and girl armed Len. Alright, so that's the Planetgreenvalley unboxing. And next video we'll do an in-depth look on each figure. But for now, this is Gray, and thank you for watching. This video is brought to you by Pueblo Hobbies. Keep collecting, guys. See you soon.